Really an awesome track. All the way down there. All the way up here. Yeah. Made it, no foot down. Another big climb coming up around the bend. Always watch out going down limestone. Another red to the right, red. We don't want blue, easy. Ridge. Keep your pedals even, like parallel with the ground. There's gonna be a jump coming up here. Same deal. Always keep your arms stiff. Not super rigid, but pretty stiff. Legs parallel, pedals parallel with the ground. And just launch it. Going up on the roller coaster. Woo! Another big climb that'll sneak up on you right here. Combined with roots. Oh, there we go. Control. It's all about control. Yeah, Skull Hill, here we go. Woo! And there's a jump down here. Woo! That's the bank, roller coaster bank. Woo! Super fun. That was awesome. There we go. Yeah! Just got power. That sucker. It's a pain. Then you gotta go down these giant rocks. Woo! Gotta keep those front arms rigid. Do not let them move, or you will bite it. Upshift. Gotta have the rapid fire shifters. Here's where they've done a lot of work to the terrain. Installed this guardrail here. We're going to B-loop across the big Cruzar La Puente. Woo! 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 It's always going to be slick on the other side, especially if there's limestone. Oh, butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. In the air, up so high. Got me, and Mama drove me all the way over there for years until we moved to Lancaster Music. Then she drove me all the way out to Lancaster. But hip hop band, my favorite current hip hop band, all time favorite hip hop band is Outkast. And I gotta say, second is probably all time Outkast, Public Enemy. Run the Jewels. One that, for whatever reason, always gets woohoo! I've only done this next part successfully once, without putting my foot down, and that was that last ride I told you about. And it's not that it's so terribly hard, it's just technical. Let's see what happens. Nope, I had to put my foot down. Just briefly, that's what's nice about not having clipless pedals. I could just take my foot off for a second, keep on, just push myself along, keep on going. And butterfly knives. This is not a true jump, this is a trick. Woo! It just looks like a jump. Pick up on all these roots. Roots. Don't like them. And that's another reason why it's important never to ride when the trail is muddy. Tricky ones. Woo! Yeah, yeah. Oh, you gotta watch out for those. That was really tricky with those roots going down. There we go. Oh, super tricky trickster I was talking about. Where are you taking it, Edith? Go! Woo! Made it. Just climbing this section coming up on here. We got a water crossing here. Woo-wee! It's usually not a bad climb, but that water got my tire wet, started slipping. That's when I had to sit down a little bit, put some weight on it. This is what gets me ready for the stage. Airplane. Okay, we're coming upon 1 + 1 = 1. D loop. Okay, that's it. 1 + 1 = 1. Hope you can see that. Here we go. Flex these quads early. Get ready for this sucker. Here it comes. Got some power going up here. Downshift. I'm in the lower skier. Yeah. Yeah. Just got it. Do it. Woo! 187 BPMs is supposed to have ever recorded. Did it! Woo! Yeah. Down and coming up. It's tricky. I'll keep that foot. Hand up straight. Yeah. Woo! Some really cool ridges. Nope. Okay, let's try that again. It's all about the positioning. Here we go. Yes. Yeah. Woo! See, I was going up to it too slow, getting intimidated. You got to power up in a mid-range gear, then downshift to the very last second. So you have enough momentum. You try to get that momentum at the base, you're going nowhere. Texas, wildflower snow. Here we are back at the beginning. Woohoo! Yay! Get it right back where you started from. All the way back. We made it. Lo hicimos. Yay. I felt good. Felt real good. The bike. Good part of that bike. Here we are at Boulder Park. Oak Cliff. Boulder Trail. Here goes, baby. Rock and roll, Elvis.